Can't stop. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. This is crazy. I can't, oh, snap. Oh, hold up. I can't stop. Oh. I think I bust my ass. Hard, bro. I'm playing hard. Nah, I'm good. How y'all making snowmen? How y'all making snowballs? I can't make no snowball. How y'all grab? Yeah, it's too hard. But we can skip down this whole street. Look, hold on. See that? I'm about to slide down this whole street. Oh, here we go. Look. Look at my fingers. My fingers are so cold right now. Yeah, yours is red? They hands are red, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna hurt. I know this is gonna hurt. Oh no. Bro, how you slide like that? Bro. That's that Michael Jackson. That's that. Ow. Cause look at all this snow. Look how much snow is out here right now. It happened overnight. And right now, I think it's like 10 degrees. No, take that back. It's supposed to be 10 degrees tonight. So, your boy finna bundle up. My goal, before I go in, see that I'm gonna try to slide all the way down there. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but let's do this. So, like I said, I'm about to try to slide from down there all the way down there using my homemade. So we finna try to do this. This is dingy. Yeah. That didn't work. Okay, hold up. Oh, bro, that did not work. Let's see, hold up. That didn't work. Let me squeeze a little closer. Ooh, it's sliding by itself. Look. Okay, no cars. Ready? This is gonna suck, but I gotta try this. Ready? Set. No way. Ow. That was my whole arm. Okay, let me do it again. I'm good. So, before I hit my face hard in the mud, it's your boy signing out. Cause it's getting hecka cold out here. Yeah. This mug.
They don't see things the same. To walk like two out the door.